Welcome to a pretty funny lock that I got from VDE. Yeah, Victor, thank you very much for it. You can see it's a tubular lock with 7 pins. And on the front of the lock we can read car show security locks. So I guess this is a car lock, and maybe this is meant to be mounted in older cars to enhance security. That's the key. We can see that's a usual tubular lock key with the cutouts here all the way around, matching the length of the key pins. And we see also this nose here that goes into that groove. So when we insert the key, we can turn it 90 degrees to the left and then remove the key again. But we can also turn it another 90 degrees to the left and cannot remove the key. So here it's key retaining. It doesn't turn any further to the left and it doesn't turn any further to the right. So we have a full 100-degree turn, and we have to pick it twice between two 90-degree positions. Yeah, this particular lock is very easy to pick because the tolerances are pretty poor, so it's not a big deal. Picking wise, I will use a broken Peterson pick. I like these picks a lot for pressing down on the pins because the handles are nice to hold and they have a good grip, so you don't lose the power when you push down. And for tensioning, I have a professional tensioning tool, so this goes in like that, and you can use thumb and index finger to nicely turn the plug. But I've also made myself for a different lock tension tool that looks like this, where you can also tension this lock very easily. So I think I will use both of these tensioning devices to pick it, and just looks like we can take it also apart so we can have a look at the pins later on. But now for the picking. So here's the lock clamped in a vise. Still works. I cannot show you a 180-degree rotation because the tailpiece here stops at the jaws of the vise. So I will turn it counterclockwise and then have to pick it twice to get to the next free position. I first start using my homemade tensioning tool. Zoom in a bit. Okay, let's see. Just go around in circles and push all the pins to find a binder. There was a little click. There was a good click from that pin. You've probably seen the plug turning. There was another good click, and okay, got the first turn. So it's in between the two free positions. So I change now to the commercial tensioning tool. This is very comfortable actually, although a bit awkward to hold and not obstruct your fuse. So let's see. Was one good click. Another good click. And got the lock picked again. So we have moved it from this position to that position. Okay, I think this proves that the lock is not really hard to pick, and that you can easily tension such kind of a lock with a homebrew tension wrench. Alright, now let's see if we can take it apart without making a mess. first get off this clip here on the back. Alright, just grab a pinning tray. Tape these and the clip. So what comes off next? Okay, that's a little piece here, connector element. So then we have a rod here, and what's inside? That's a pin. I think, oops. And there's another pin here in the back, and with this piece here I think we have the this causes the limitation of rotation, so we have only 180 degree rotation. Okay, I think now I can turn it all the way around just as I like. Yeah, it goes all the way around. Okay, so let's see if we can push the plug out. No. How does this come apart? Oh, there's a pin. Look here. There's a pin that's holding the plug in place. It's hammered in, so we cannot extract it easily without damaging the lock. Yeah, that's the reason why I cannot push out the plug. Sadly, we cannot look at the guts, so that's all I can show you from the inside. But it's a fun lock, very unique, with a writing here, car show security locks. Pretty easy pick, but very fun pick. Yeah, I think that's it. Victor, thank you very much again for a cool lock, and everybody else, thank you very much for watching. Happy picking and bye bye.